Meaning of faithless.
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 Faithless. The word faithless describes someone who lacks faith or is disloyal. It can refer to someone who doesn't believe in a particular religion or deity, or someone who has lost trust in someone or something they once believed in. A person who is faithless may be seen as untrustworthy or unreliable. In relationships, being described as faithless often implies that the person is disloyal and lacks commitment. Overall, the term faithless describes a lack of belief or loyalty in something or someone.